Hi guys, welcome back. So as promised, I told you guys I'm going to show you guys how the aloe vera works for the next 5 days. Like, I'm going to put aloe vera on my skin for 5 days and I'm going to show you the results after 5 days. So yeah, today is such a gloomy day and I don't know if the lighting is working really well, but I have here my aloe vera, my preserved aloe vera, and I kept it in the cubes. I don't know if you can see it, it's slimy. I kept it in its cube, so I'm just going to put that on my face. I forgot to show you guys my initial problems that I have with my face. I have like a scar here from like 2 weeks ago. I got like a pimple and I have another one here, and then yesterday I showed you guys a facial. I mean, if you didn't watch that, you can watch it. I'm going to leave a card in above so you can just click on that and watch it. But it wasn't really like plain aloe vera. It was like it had like other ingredients in it, so feel free to watch that. And yeah, so after doing that facial, I got this pimple here. I mean, I have an upcoming pimple. I don't know if you can see it here. And then I had one here this morning, but it burst when I was taking a shower. So that's good. I hope it doesn't scar, and I hope the aloe vera helps to take away the scars. You guys, aloe vera is really bitter, so make sure not to put it in your mouth. I'm currently using it in my smoothies, but smoothies are sweet, so it kind of masks the taste. So that's it for day one. I'm not coming back to show you after I've washed it off, just because you're not going to see any results after that, but I'll definitely tell you how my skin feels tomorrow before I put it on again. I'll just let you know how my skin feels and if I notice any differences, I will let you know. But bye for today. See you on day 2, guys. Welcome back. Day 2. So it's 7:20. By the way, I don't sleep with this on my face, so I just put it on for a while and then take it off before I go to bed. Today I was at the gym, and while I was working out, my sweat tasted like aloe vera. And for those of you that have tasted aloe vera, you know what it tastes like. It's very bitter. But yeah, actually, I'm putting this on, but I wanted to show you guys something. Well, when I put this, after I realized that I'm getting a few pimples. More pimples. I got the one that I had here yesterday went away, and it actually brought the scar. There is nothing like a scar, but I'm getting a lot of these little, I don't know if you can see them, but let me try. See you tomorrow. What's up, guys? So it's day 3 and I just washed my face. I'm going to just dry it and aloe vera time. So now all the pimples, so today all the pimples that I had went. I actually have none, and my skin is so smooth and so soft. I'm loving it actually. Like, it's not glowing, but it's really smooth and so soft. So I'm just, oh, it's cold because I keep it in the fridge. Oops, it's bitter. The pimple that I had at the top of my lip, I still have it. It's not gone yet, but it's not as painful as it was before. So normally I have this little rash on my chin. I'm hoping that goes away, but so far it's still the same. The rash is still there. I feel like it's part of me now. I actually don't even bother it anymore. So I'm going to let this dry off. I'll see you guys again tomorrow for day 4. Almost done. I can't wait to stop this because I'm not the kind of girl that actually washes my face on the daily. Like, sorry, not washes my face, like does whole face routine. This is my first time to actually have a routine, and I feel like it's draining, although I can't wait to see what my skin is going to look like. Bye bye. So it's day 4, guys. I just washed my face. I just took a shower and washed my face. And so what I've noticed at the gym, I was actually at the gym today and I was looking at myself in the mirror. I was like, damn girl, you look good. I mean, my face looks good. So I think I like this aloe vera. The pimple that was here it's not like gone, but it's not drying out or anything. It's just going slowly and it's going gracefully. And my skin is smooth and soft, although I feel like I have a little bump here. I think it's from the pimples that I had before, but let me go ahead and put this on. It's so cold. I know I say this every day, it's so cold, and my sweat tastes like aloe vera. It's so bitter, but it's worth it, and it's not forever. It's just for 5 days, just to run the experiment for myself and to show you guys if you want to find it, if you want to know. So I'm going to leave this for about 4 hours and I'll wash it off and see you guys tomorrow for the finale. Bye guys. Hi guys, so it's day 5, finally the last day of this experiment, and I noticed that my face is a little bit pale. This normally happens with my face wash. It has sodium bicarbonate, so it like dries it out and helps me dry out the pimples. So I'm just going to put this on and wash it off and show you what happens after everything. Let's go ahead and put this. So this is the pimple that I got after the first day of putting this, and you can see it's going away, and it's going away gracefully. Like I said, it's not like being too out there, and of course they leave marks, because here are the 2 pimples I also got during the week. The tiny pimples I showed you guys, they're going, but they left the scar, although the scar is not too out there like what I normally get, and this one is fading away slowly. So I'm going to let this dry, and then I'll be right back when I'm done washing it off, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like before and after the moisturizer, the olive oil. And then I just wanted to show you guys how I put the aloe vera in my smoothies. Just a brief thing, and if you want to check out the details, just check out my previous video and you can see how I've been doing it the whole week. So see you in a couple of minutes. So I'm about to wash this off, so I thought I should show you what it looks like today before I wash it off. Normally I keep it for about 4 hours. I don't sleep with it overnight. I just put it on, and I realized that in some people's videos, when they it kind of dries out. Even for me it dries out, but after a while, if I keep it longer than an hour, actually longer than about 1 hour and a half, it starts to like blend in with my skin, and instead of being dry, it like gives my skin some kind of shine. So it's almost at that point right now, but I have to go, so I have to wash it off, and it's been approximately 2 hours since I had it, and you can see it's a bit glowy. So I'm just washing it off with water, because before I put it on, I use this this is my face wash. I was looking for better lighting, and I think this is better. So now I washed my face. I showed you guys I washed my face, and while I took time to dress up and do all that, my skin dried up. It's so weird that since I came to like Montreal, I think it's because of the winter, I have dry skin, and yet when I was in tropical weather, my skin was really oily. So I don't really use anything particular on my face. I have like this olive oil. The cover is actually getting off, but it's some body oil, original olive oil from Greece. So what I do is just spray a little, just that once, and so I'm just going to apply my regular lip balm, which is Nivea. And I know I wear glasses, but I'm going to add a little eyeliner. This is like this is my normal no makeup day. Like, this is what I wear every day. Like, I don't wear makeup. I've already told you guys that before. So basically all I do is do a weekly facial. I don't do this daily. I don't use aloe vera daily or anything. I don't put anything. I just shower, normal shower with my face wash, and then use this olive oil, wear eyeliner and lip balm. That's it. And I'm talking directly into the camera, and it's not the kind of camera that has like a flip camera where I can see myself, so I'm going to use my phone to wear my eyeliner. Sorry guys. And voila, that's it for my makeupless face, my makeupless daily face. So this is the 5th day for my aloe vera tryout experiment, and my face feels so smooth for sure. I still have this pimple, but it's going away. It's going away real, like, so nicely. I didn't pinch it or anything. I know I'm normally the kind of person that pinches, but you notice that I still have it, like a little mark here, and the mark is kind of reducing. Forgive the noise in the background. It's my washing machine. Today is well, yeah, that's none of your business, but yeah, sorry about that. And yeah, so I have that scar that is going away slowly, and the pimples that I had during the week are all gone. They're all gone, and they left, well, there's no major scar. There is some scarring, very little though. Like, I feel like it's actually even fading away. And yeah, I think in general I really like this aloe vera thing, although I'm not going to do it daily. But aloe vera is really good for your skin, for skin healing. It repairs, it brightens. Well, I cannot tell you if my skin has brightened because I'm not like well, I think actually I can tell you that because when I was at the gym yesterday, I noticed that I was sweating, but I was glowing, and I'm like, oh, I'm loving this. But I'm not going to do it every day, man. It's a lot of work because I'm not the kind of person to spend a lot of time in the mirror and blah blah blah. So no. So that's it. That's what it looks like. And finally, before I let you guys go, I want to show you guys a little bit of how I use the aloe vera in my smoothies. If you want to check out a different kind of smoothie, you can check out the previous video. So let's go ahead to my kitchen and make my smoothie, and then I'll say bye to you guys. Okay guys, so for the smoothie, I have in here a whole pear and blueberries and coconut oil. In the previous video I didn't use coconut oil, and I found, and this is another extra tip when you're making smoothies, the reason why I add coconut oil is because you need healthy fat, and this healthy fat basically helps you stay fuller for longer. And the last time I didn't put coconut oil, I got hungry in like almost immediately after, like maybe 30 minutes after. So add coconut oil. I don't know, how do you guys stay fuller for longer? Let me know in the comment section down below. And now for the main ingredient, which is aloe vera. Sorry, I need to get a knife to cut it. It's the gel. So basically I get, let me see, this much. I don't know if you can see, but it's like this much, this much, or maybe a little bit more. I needed to finish, that's the reason why I'm putting a little bit more, that much. Oops, it slid out. So yeah, that much, and blend it. Oh sorry, I forgot blueberries. There's some coconut oil on here. I just want to finish it. I just want to do this, take it all, nothing staying. You have to use it all. That, and add some blueberries, good antioxidants. You guys, let me tell you something. If you haven't been using aloe vera actually helps with bowel movement. At home we have aloe vera. Actually at home we use aloe vera a lot. Anyway, irrelevant. So blueberries, you can put as much as you want. I love blueberries, so I'm going to put quite much. And yeah, this is as little as it is. And then add a drop of water just to make it easy while it's pulsing. And yeah, I'm going to blend it and show you guys after. As always, I like to use my wine glass, so I'm just going to do that. I make enough for one. Sorry, bad habit. Ooh, I just tasted the aloe vera. I think I put a lot more than I had to, but yeah, I'm used to the bitter taste, so I'm just gonna go ahead and taste for you guys. Ooh, it's bitter, but it's nice. It's good for you. I'm just going to chug this one. Actually, this is the first one I've made that's so bitter. Sorry guys. But I can taste the coconut oil. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell right next to it to be notified the next time I upload new videos, because I upload videos every week and it's all about food, health, wellness, natural remedies, facials, food, mostly food. But thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Bye.